In this video, we will learn about what is internal hordeolum and how differentiate internal hordeolum from external hordeolum. What is internal hordeolum? Internal hordeolum is a suppurative inflammation of the meibomian gland associated with blockage of the duct, primarily due to staphylococcal infection. The differentiating features between internal hordeolum and external hordeolum are: 1. Affected glands. Internal hordeolum is associated with meibomian gland. External hordeolum or Stye is associated with gland of Zeiss or mole. 2. Location. Location of internal hordeolum is in the middle of eyelid or away from the eyelid margin. Location of external hordeolum or Stye is in the lid margin. 3. Pus point. Pus point of internal hordeolum is located in conjunctival side. Pus point of external hordeolum or Stye is lid margin. From definition of internal hordeolum, 3 things need to be understood. 1. It's a suppurative inflammation. Suppurative inflammation is a type of inflammation that involves the production of pus. 2. Associated with meibomian gland. Meibomian gland is located in the tarsal plate of eyelid that is in the middle of eyelid. So, location of internal hordeolum will be always away from the lid margin. 3. It's a staphylococcal infection. Staphylococci are a gram-positive spherically shaped bacteria that cause skin and soft tissue infections. So remember, in internal hordeolum, an abscess will form that will lead to pus formation when infected and will always be located away from the lid margin. Subscribe to Smart Optometry for more videos like this. Stay with the Smart Optometry and study optometry smartly.